Alright, so it's the next morning. I think it's the 10th of April, if I'm not mistaken. I found a super nice coffee shop here and finally have salad for breakfast, which I'm craving. Yeah, and this one's open very early and I'm gonna enjoy here a little while. So far it's sunny outside. And we will see for how long. And then I'm gonna take the bus to the shrine and go a little bit outside of here. Alright, that was a very nice breakfast. I was really craving a salad because everything here is always carbs and sweet and cheesy, so I really needed that salad. I started drinking also my coffee's hot again, which is also new for me. Love it. I'm now on my way to Hakata station because I want to buy the train ticket for tomorrow to go to Hiroshima. Yeah, so let's see that because I couldn't buy it online, or the only page I could buy it online from was Ninja Rail, I think they're called. They're pretty popular and you would find an ad from them everywhere, but they take so much commission and fees that it's almost, I think, double the price. So I'd rather go to the train station and buy it there directly if possible. And there's also another official website where you can buy it, X something, EX I think, but they didn't accept my credit card, so they have problems with foreign credit cards. So yeah, the only thing, if I want to get it for almost half the price, is to go to the station directly, but then I can also take the bus from here to go to the shrine. So busy morning. So if I'm not mistaken, I have to go directly to the JR terminal, to Japan Rail something terminal to get this ticket. And I think I can only pay with cash, which should be fine now to go to Hiroshima. But I might gonna get the Osaka ticket already as well, if possible, and then I have to get more cash, but things to learn. Okay, so it all worked out. I forgot to buy the ticket though to Osaka, but I can do that in Hiroshima, and was only 24 euros. So yeah, it's really weird. 24 euros or something, 3,730 yen to be exact. And if I would have bought it on this Ninja site, which is legit, but I think made for tourists, I would have paid $95. So there's a huge difference, though. I mean, I have to see if everything went well. I do have a reserved seat. It takes me a little bit more than an hour to get there, so everything seems to be fine with the Shinkansen. I'm going there. So go to the train station and get your tickets there. I can only recommend it. It took my card. I didn't need to pay cash. It's perfect. Okay, now I have to get a coffee, and then I want to take train to the shrine, which I still need to figure out what it's called, but I will find it. I think the train, the bus there, it's a bus, takes about an hour or something, a little less than an hour, but it only goes every 15 minutes, so I have to find that. Outside it's still sunny, let's see how long that takes, and now trying to make a coffee choice. Ooh, I think we're gonna try the sparkling cold brew coffee ice. Let's see how that tastes. Here we go, sparkling coffee. Oh, highly disgusting. Don't drink it. Oh. Oof. Well, I'm stuck with it now, I guess. Oof, I actually cannot drink that, so I'm gonna throw it away and get a new coffee because it's super disgusting. I tried another sip though. New coffee. Okay, the vanilla iced latte, and I just checked the bus. It's 2 minutes. I will still check again what it's called, but I want to go. And yeah, so let's see if they let me on the bus with the coffee there. I'm not sure about if they allowed this. So I need to go to B1F, I think, which I assume then is just straight ahead. So it's called Dazaifu, and I'm just in line. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get in because there's so many people, and I can just pay with my regular subway card, which I have for Japan, and I think it's 700 yen. I just remembered I only had 500 yen on the card, but yeah, with Apple Wallet everything went super quick to upload another 1,000 yen, so I should be all good, and it took me 15 seconds. I can't believe this all worked out in time. I had only a couple of minutes, but I found the right bus stop, which was quite a challenge, but you just have to read the signs. If you don't read Daizafu, then you're wrong. And yeah, I got on the bus, even though there's so many people who are on the bus. Okay, 34 minutes. Okay, I made it to Dazaifu. It's still sunny. The ride was 700 yen, so all good, also with my card. Yes, I'm gonna look around here now. I think it's very touristy. Maybe check out if I already can get some lunch or if it is too early for lunch. And then look where the shrine is. I guess I just have to follow the people. How cool is this? A rooftop with a forest on top. Super cool. Alright, so I'm using my first 100 yen coin to get one of these lucky sayings, I assume something it is. And then you have to just attach them to these gutters there in the back, so they hopefully become true. And obviously I also need to use Google Translate to understand them. Alright, now I know my fortune and my future. So let's make it real, let's make it happen. I like it here. I don't think that many people walk all the way up these 2 kilometers, and that's why it's super quiet here, and you hear some nice sounds in the background, and the temperature are very nice, so good choice for today. Oh yeah, by the way, I also learned something new today. It's not called Fukuoka as I thought, it's called Fukuoka. And I have to say, now with sunshine, I like Fukuoka a lot more, but I'm also not really here. I'm in I forgot again. Daizafu? No, it's wrong. Shit. I will never get these names right on this trip. Dazaifu, I think it's called. Let me check that. Yes, it's called Dazaifu. So this one I like a lot more. I guess rainy weather, or every city with rainy weather, is not so enjoyable. So much better mood today. Weather is driving me insane, so I think I need to take off the sweater. Super hot. Ugh. I never get it right with the clothes and the weather. So no idea where the shrine is. I got a little lost, I think, on the way, but this is a museum here apparently. And I think then I can walk. It's kind of a loop to go back to the point where I started. So that doesn't look like a museum. I'm confused. But it is the Kyushu National Museum. So, for obvious reasons, I will skip the museum and I will try to find my way back. I read somewhere there is a promenade, so maybe I think it can only be this one. So that was a nice walk and enjoying the sun. Well, and of course I'm always taking the wrong turn, so now I should be on the right path, but we will see as usual. Yeah, super lost. I'm going through a residential area, which is really nice though. So I'm enjoying this, but I'm not sure if I'm supposed to take this way. Okay, this was only a short walk, so everything is fine. I used Google Maps. Now I'm in the touristy area again. So all good. I think I'm back where I started. I went over this bridge, I believe. And over there is where I used the fortune teller thing. Yes, I'm back. I made it. So yeah, I've been here for 1.5 hours now in Daizafu. And maybe now I'm a little hungry. Now I'm back at the bus stop and I got myself a little snack, some water and some chicken. And we'll figure out my next move. So the plan is going back to Akata station and then walk around Akata Old Town. Okay, everything looked so good in this bakery, so I guess more than I actually wanted or needed. So now a coffee, and I decided because the weather is so good, I'm gonna go back where I left off yesterday at this lake, Ohori Lake, I think, to enjoy the weather and read my book. Yay, I made it to the Ohori Park and now I can enjoy my coffee and the snacks I bought, and it's super nice weather outside, so I'm enjoying it. Finally it feels like spring. Some curry donut with an egg in it. So I charged my batteries and also the batteries of my phone. It's 5:30 now, so I was thinking to quickly walk here a little bit, go over this nice little bridge, have a look there, and then I will head to the Fukuoka Tower to maybe have a look at the city from above. sun is almost setting. I'm nearly at the tower, it's over there. If I'm lucky, I can get a ticket up there because I did book one and have a wonderful sunset. I love the bus queues here. Very polite people queuing for the bus. Alright, I made it to the tower. Let's see if I can make it up there. Fukuoka Tower. Let's see if you have a ticket for me. Yay, it worked. 800 yen. I have to check how much that is. I guess like 7 euros or something. It worked, and now I can go up. I didn't even need to queue.
景色と合わせましてご覧くださいませ。駅 13m까지 70초로
I made it right in time with a nice sunset. So I made a spring brush. One of these is mine. Alright, so I think that's enough for me. It was very nice. I will head down now at 7 o'clock. I also checked, it was a little bit more than 4 euros to get up here, so much affordable. Fantastic.
버스 있지만 밖에 선호하는 버스 없습니다.
So I thought that was a really nice afternoon and a really nice evening, so I don't think Fukuoka has too much to offer. Maybe I'm wrong here. Probably there are lots of people who saw much more than I did, and also because of the rainy day yesterday, it was not the nicest experience, but today was a wonderful day. I loved it very much, and I think, yeah, the tower for 4 euros, absolutely something you can do if you don't have anything to do. I don't think it's worth coming here for this, but if it's kind of on your way, for example, because you want to go to South Korea, then definitely do it. I'm heading back to the subway station now to go back to where I stay, Hakata, and yeah, I'm walking to the subway instead of taking the bus. It's a 20 minutes walk, which is nice, and the weather is good. Yeah, so and then I will take the subway back.